Welcome to 10th class social. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School, Tandur. In the last session, we completed, I explained you about ideas of development and whose development also I taught you about the development of India. Now, the third topic is income and other goals. What is the income? How to check the income and what are the other goals? Today we will read in this session. Listen carefully. If you go over table 1 again, already I explained you the table 1. In the table 1, what we have learned? We have learned about the income, more income from the other groups. Had you remember? If you have forget, then once again see the table 1. You will notice one common thing in the table, that what most people desire are regular work, better wages. I told you now only. In the table 1 there is related to better wages and decent price for their crops and other products that they produce. In other words, they want more income. We can say that they want more income. We have already read in the table 1. Okay. Besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security and respect from others. Not only they want better wages, but also they want equal treatment and freedom and respect from the others. That not mean that they are farmers, we cannot respect, not like that. We have to respect each and everyone. Okay. Their recent discrimination, all these are important goals. Not only that, in getting better income is not only the one goal, but also we have all these also important goals. What are those? Freedom, security and respect from others also very important. In fact, in some cases there may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Money or material things that one can buy with it, just one factor on which life depends. Money we can earn and materials we can buy, but respect, we have to give the respect and we have to take the respect. Okay. But the quality of life, our life also depends on non-material things mentioned above. If it is non-obvious to you, then just think of the role of your friends in your life. You have to just think what is the role of your friends in your life. You may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives. They are often ignored. Therefore, it will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. Okay. Consider another example. There is another example you see here. If you get a job in a far off place, you would try to consider many factors. If the job is in far place, you have to see all the parts of income. This could be facilities for your family, working atmosphere. We have to see the working atmosphere also. In another case, a job may give us less pay but may offer regular employment that enhance your sense of security. In the another job, there is a less income but the employment facilities are good. And another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security and also leave no time for your family. There is another job that is full busy in work. They have no time to live for the family. They will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Similarly, for development, people look a mix of goals. For the development, people will see the mix of goals. They have more income, they should have more income and more security and more freedom. People will search in that job. It is true that if women are engaged in paid work, the family income increases and their dignity in the household and society increases. However, at the same time, if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. If there is a respect for the woman can work inside and outside of the house. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. A woman can do a business or job and it holds the whole family also. Hence the developmental goals the people have are not only about better income but also about the important things in life. They should take care of not only the income but also take the other important things in life also. Okay, this part we have completed now. If you have any doubt, they can contact me. I will clarify the doubt. Now there is a assignment. See here. Assignment is fourth question. Do you think there are certain other aspects that other than those discussed in the chapter that should be considered in measuring human development? And fifth question is, why do we use averages? Are there any limitations to their use? Illustrate with your own examples related to development. You have to write your own examples related to development. Okay, this fourth and fifth question as assignment you have to write and send it to me. I will continue the lesson in the next video. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.